Hello teacher, my name is Jan Castro. Hoy voy a hablar sobre el carnaval de Barranquilla, región del Caribe. It is a popular festival that is celebrated during Carnival and consists of masquerades, troupe, dance, and other events such as concerts and parades. People are generally partying and friendly. The typical food is seafood, casserole fish, and arepas. The carnival is characterized by being cheerful, colorful, and having traditional dance for the regions. Their costumes are coastal hat, handmade jewelry, and often the marimonda, etc. The weather is usually hot and white, little breeze. One of its tourist places is the bay or the park of the boyfriend of Santa Marta. Lastly, one of the activities they can do is go to the Watts Paradise to see the Carnival Queens or watch them on TV. Thank you.